Geeta Shri, also known as the Bodoland Shakira. And now, as promised earlier, she will be performing Waka Waka song for all of you. Let's welcome Miss Geeta Shri. Everyone dance, come on!
You're the soldier, choosing your battles. When you fall in a boat, if you fall in a plane, stamina, mina, sangalewa.
December Bodole!
Stamina, mina, waka, waka, stamina, mina, sangalewa. I know, stamina, mina, waka, waka, stamina, mina, sangalewa. This time for Bodole.
Everyone dance, come on!
City young God, this is our motto. We are going to shine, going to light, Bama Gotolo. People are raising their expectation. Gonna feed them this your moment, no hesitation. It's your day, I feel it. You pave the way, believe it. If they get down, get up, oh, if they get down, get up, hey, something up in a circle.
December Bodole!
Stamina, mina, waka, waka, stamina, mina, sangalewa. I know, I will in my journey, picky, picky, mama, one, hey, you say, I'll be to the machine, picky, picky, mama, from east to west. Mati, waka, 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 Saki, siswe, mati, bue.
December Bodole!
Stamina, mina, waka, waka, stamina, mina, sangalewa. I know, everyone.
An electrifying performance by Miss Geeta Shri, correctly titled as Bodoland Shakira.
आइए एक बार मिलकर स्वागत करते हैं 12 कैनेडियंस के जैज बैंड का, जो आपके लिए एक अनोखा मिश्रण पेश करने जा रहे हैं। सबसे पहले लाइव पास होने वाला है। I would request all actors to kindly get their tones down immediately. लाइव पास होने वाला है। मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल। Witness the seamless coordination of two cheetah from 667 Army Aviation Squadron commanded by Colonel P.S. Rathore, Sena Medal, moving in a tactical formation carrying the national flag of India and Tiranka flag, skillfully maneuvered by the commanding officer himself and Captain Prasanna Kumar, and the second aircraft by Lieutenant Colonel Tushar Sharma and Major Sankshev. Following these in a tactical formation are the two light combat helicopters known as Prachand, which is an agile and potent rotorcraft designed for combat operations in diverse terrains. Led by Lieutenant Colonel Ranveer Grewal and Major Arvinder, and the second one by Lieutenant Colonel Tushar Madane and Major Savin. And last but not the least are the two advanced light helicopters, also known as Dhruv. Leading aircraft is piloted by Lieutenant Colonel H.S. Tanwar and Major Vishal Singh, and the second aircraft by Major Rahul Chaudhary and Major Rakesh Vashish from 206th Army Aviation Squadron, the Indomitables. The Army Aviation Corps has been an integral part of the Kargil War. Operation Pawan, from rescue operations to recce operations, they are deployed in every terrain, be it glaciers or deserts. Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourself to witness the formidable power of light combat helicopter, also known as Prachand. Watch as the first helicopter dives in for a high-speed attack. Delivering a barrage of TNT rockets onto the target. The light combat helicopter. Following closely, another light combat helicopter strikes the enemy, boldly displaying its aggression. Finally, watch in awe as the last helicopter dives down to the stage,
Jay!
delivering a spectacular and definitive conclusion to this thrilling demonstration. एक अविश्वसनीय पेशकश 12 ग्रेनेड्स के जैज बैंड और हमारे सारे आर्टिस्ट और इंडियन आर्मी एविएशन कोर की तरफ से।
As we all know that today the match will be between Bodoland FC and Northeast United FC. I'll read out the names. Jersey number 2, Wilson Deimari from Bodoland FC. Jersey number 3, Dansarang Basumatari. Jersey number 4, Wangpo Klang Linko. Jersey number 5, Frank Nana Kofi Adote. Jersey number 8, Ningthauza Momochasi. Jersey number 9, Benjamin Nana Techi. Jersey number 10, Zo Atido. Jersey number 12, Zakari Mehta. Jersey number 15, Mitinga Deimari. Jersey number 21, Mirkhang Deimari. Jersey number 27, Arjun Mardi. Substitutes for Bodoland FC. Jersey number 7, Jikyas Deka. Jersey number 11, Sibra Narzari. Jersey number 14, Diliram Sanyasi. Jersey number 17, Jangla Brahmo. Jersey number 18, Samdan Deimari. Jersey number 25, Timothy Narzari. Jersey number 35, Rikhang Deimari. Jersey number 37, Rajiv Boro. Jersey number 50, Maneshwar Musahari. We have the team coach for Bodoland FC, Khilan Birkhat Siamle. We have the team manager for Bodoland FC, Zyklong Brahmo. Referee for Bodoland FC, assistant number, referee number 1, Christopher Claudius Peter. Referee assistant 2, Parmeshwar Gope. Fourth official, Surajit Das. We have the team for Northeast United FC, jersey number 1, Gurmeet. Jersey number 2, Cyril Chamdine Singh. Jersey number 3, Rangse Pham Songdoba Singh. Jersey number 5, Hamza Rigraki. Jersey number 6, Muhammad Ali Bemamur. Jersey number 9, Guillermo Fernandez Hero. Jersey number 10, Nasser Albiag Roder. Jersey number 11, Partip Sundar Gogoi. Jersey number 12, Ashir Akhtar. Jersey number 13, Muthu Irulandi, Mai Ayankan. Jersey number 18, Zidit MS. Jersey number substitutes for Northeast United FC, jersey number 15, Marcanto Lewis Nixon. Jersey number 16, Ankit B. Jersey number 17, Robin Yadav. Jersey number 19, Widrom Toy Singh. Jersey number 22, Redim Klang. Jersey number 23, BK Oram. Jersey number 26, Konsang Falguni Singh. Jersey number 30, Laishram Danny Maite. Jersey number 32, Mirshat Kutupunda. Jersey number 77, Buang Taklong Stamde. Team coach for Northeast United FC, Zuan Pedro Ben Ali Hamau. Team manager, Sahashad Muhammad Makingal. Match commissioner, Ravi Shankar Jayaraman. Referee assessor, Rawan Arumugan.
We would like to make a special mention about our sponsors who helped in bringing this 133rd edition of Indian Oil Durand Cup 2024 to grand success. Co-sponsored by SBI, associate sponsor Dabur, Amul and JIS Group. Gifting partner American Tourister and Cello. Official ball partner Nivea. Broadcast partner Sony Sports Network. OTT partner Sony Live. Ticketing partner Book My Show. Tournament producer Cherry Free. We thank you all for your cooperation.
May I also announce the color of Bodoland FC is yellow. The color for Northeast United FC is white. Bodoland FC ni thakai gama ar Northeast United FC ni thakai gufur.
Now it is time for the moment we all were eagerly waiting for. The kick-off for the opening ceremony of 133rd edition of Indian Oil Durand Cup 2024. But before that, requesting your attention as the three flags, the Eastern Command flag, the Durand Cup flag and the FIFA Fair Play flag is being carried to the ground along with the team members of today's match.